Hello guys, today I am showing Indian Bank welcome kit which was given today. After long wait I am receiving this welcome kit. It's really amazing feeling. So I will show what are the things Indian Bank provided me in this video. So please watch till end. Today I am happy to share the welcome kit provided by Indian Bank. The kit includes a large branded bag which is very useful for carrying official documents and daily office essential. Along with it, a daily notebook, diary notebook, and a pen are also provided. So I can show in this video. Here you can see the diary and book, diary and pen, both carrying the Indian Bank branding. The diary gives a professional feeling and is useful for maintaining daily notes, schedules, and important work-related information. Along with this, there is a separate Indian Bank badge is also provided, making the entire welcome kit feel special and memorable for every new employee. In addition, a stylish black water bottle with the Indian Bank logo is included in the kit, which adds a premium and professional touch. Overall, receiving this welcome kit was an amazing and proud experience. I know many students are eagerly waiting and dreaming of receiving such a kit one day. To all the banking and aspirants, continue your preparation with discipline, consistency, and proper planning. Work hard, stay focused, and you will definitely achieve your goal and receive this welcome kit in the future. So you can find there is one purse also with this welcome kit. So overall it is amazing experience. So I will show all this in one frame. You can see it's definitely a dream comes true. So follow my YouTube video. I will share my experience with the bank whenever I get free time.